is Kelsey and I'm a College Corps Fellow working with Monterey County Free Libraries. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make oat energy balls. So to start off, what you're going to need is like old-fashioned oats, creamy peanut butter, you can choose any brand, honey, vanilla extract, and chocolate chips. And with like the chocolate chips and stuff, this is like just what I'm adding for flavor. You can also add shredded coconut or any like dried fruit, flax seeds, chia seeds. You can add whatever you want to make it your own. So to start off, you're just gonna want to add all of your ingredients to a mixing bowl, and then you can just use a spoon or whatever you need to mix it up. I'm starting with the oats in the bowl, and you can use whatever measurements that you want. So I'm only using about 2 cups of oats because that's going to be the base of the recipe. So just use how many oats that you want for like how many snacks that you want. So yeah, I used 2 cups of oats. And then for the peanut butter, you're going to want to use about a ratio of about half of the amount of oats. So I used 2 cups of oats, so I'm going to use 1 cup of peanut butter, and the peanut butter is going to work as like the main mold to hold everything together. So make sure that you have enough of it if it's not all like kind of sticky together. So now that you've mixed everything together, you should have your oats and your peanut butter kind of like all mixed together in a bowl. I'm just going to add a little bit of the vanilla extracts and then also a little bit of honey just to like sweeten it up a bit. Not too much. And then I'm gonna mix that together, and then last I'm gonna add the chocolate chips. So now that I have all of the honey and vanilla extract mixed in with the oats and peanut butter, I'm just gonna add some chocolate chips, and I'm using semi-sweet ones, but you can use again whichever one are more preferable for you. And then you can just add however much you want depending on how much you're making. So now, once you have all of your ingredients mixed together in the right ratio that you want, we're just gonna put the mixture into the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. If you're using like a bigger batch, you can put it in for a little bit longer. If you're using a smaller batch, you could put it for a shorter time. But it's just to make it a little bit chilled so that it's easier to roll into a ball shape. So now, once your mixture has been in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes or however long until it's chilled, you can take it out of the refrigerator. So I have mine here. And then you're just gonna need a plate or a baking sheet or anything. And you're just gonna start, you can just mix it up one more time, just to like ensure that everything's all evenly mixed. And then you can use your hands, you can use gloves, or you can just use 2 spoons and just start pressing the mixture together in your hands to make kind of like ball shaped like snacks. And since it's chilled, the peanut butter shouldn't be sticking to your hands, so it should look like this. And then you can just set it on your plate, and you can eat them immediately or you can store them in the fridge until whenever you want to eat them. Okay, so once you're all done and you finish rolling them all into balls, here's what mine look like. Then you're all finished, and like I said, you can eat them or you can store them in the fridge for another day. So thank you guys for watching.